Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel and welcome to Python Basics for Beginners. In this session we are going to see about slicing. So how slicing is going to work and what are all the way we can use slicing. So for that purpose I have created one new file called mystring.py. Okay, so this thing we can run with command as well. So let's go to terminal and just check. A is equal to TechieQA. So when you print A, we are getting TechieQA. Okay, if I want to print something like just open 0 to 5, so I will get only techie. Okay, so 0 1 2 3 4 up to 5, not till 5. Then if you want to see, for example 3, it will just print 3 character 0 to 2. Okay, up to 3 in the sense like 0 1 2 it will print. And one more way, you can just like that you can extend. If you just leave it, it will be like it will taken as a whole length of the string, 0 slice, nothing if you put for a range. And one more thing, a of 0 7 and skip 1. So it's 1 in the sense it's like it won't, each one it will print TechieQ till 7, right? So we have to put 8, it will add TechieQA also. Now what I'm going to add, leave this as a blank because it will take full, and add this as a 2 and check it. So just zoom it so that I can explain what I did. A of 0 colon 2. So 0 to end of the character and skipping one value. It will skip E, H, E. So it will print T, C, I, Q one by one. The same way you can put like this. 3 means it will skip 2 character. T, this 2 are skipped. Then H, this 2 are skipped, and Q. Okay, this is how slicing is working. And if you just put A of -1, so we can think what it will happen. Just see, it will just reverse your string. Putting A colon -1, just reverse your string. This will be like very easy. If you are going to use Java or some other language, you may have to store into a character, take the length of the character, start from end and print one by one and store into string and print it. So this is what you have to do. But here using slicing, you can just A of colon -1. It will just print in this way. So like this we can use slicing in multiple things. For example, if you are using a list also, you can use slicing. For this purpose I have used for a string. So if you have a list of character or list of string or whatever it is, so for the list also you can print however you want. Okay, so this is somewhat interesting actually. So if you want to achieve the same thing with other language, you have to do a lot of things. With Python you can get it in just a second. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel and share with your friends if you liked it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.